going to see the race course for the first time is going to be pretty exciting. This is the real deal. This is when it starts to come together. And just, this is where it happens. Yeah, day 3 here, morning for us. Today's a big day. We get our course notes and race files today at noon, which means we get to go actively pre-run the race course today. Lots of pressure for good notes and good quality pre-running so that we have an opportunity to do well in the race.
Overlaying our notes from last year onto
you have to ask that question
the course for this year to see what we need to change.
Yeah, today's a good day. Hammertown already is 30% bigger than it was yesterday, and people will start flooding in more today. Everybody's excited. You can tell that this is the big build-up for sure.
So for now, we've just fixed the inner tie rod on the 80 car to get rid of some of that front wheel slop on the left side. The guys have been working on, they're just getting the toe set now, and hopefully we're good to go.
At least it looks like the dust is flowing that way here. There we go. Oh, I've been through here before. You know what? Like this stand? No, I don't think I have. Okay, at the top of this, you're gonna go right. That's 70 mile an hour. Oh, no way. 72. Oh, I thought we were just cruising. Oh, we are cruising. Yeah. See, this will finish the race for us though, Scotty. Yeah. No one's gonna say, did you see how fast he went? But I want to finish the race, man. That's almost 80. Do you want to back it off? We don't have notes through here.
I was doing 33 miles an hour. Scotty was screaming like a little girl.
I was nervous. It's all due to me. Yeah.
No. What did we hit 80? Is that what you said?
76 miles an hour.
Okay, so we're just pre-running. The point is, we weren't going really fast, but it felt so smooth. I thought I'm usually pretty good with mile an hour. I can pretty well call it within a couple mile an hour, and I honestly thought in that particular section, car felt really good. It was a smooth section regardless. I thought we were doing 55 miles an hour. So you know what? We got lots of notes. The car is set up really well. Quite happy. Yeah, I think we have a good car right now. All we have to do is make sure we don't mile out our parts before we go, and also make sure we can keep it together for 250 miles of that 5 laps of what we just did.
Okay, so we just got back from pre-running lap 1. Dave and I were out there making notes, reviewing what we already had from previous years. Everything was matching up fairly nicely, which was awesome. The car felt amazing. We did switch the tires for the Yokohamas. Everything performed well there. You know what? If anything, it gave us comfort. You know, we're going out. It is a super fast course. Dave and the KOH team have done an amazing job. Everything's marked well. Yeah, you know what? We're just in this, I think, re-prep the car and get ourselves ready for qualifying.
I mean, in the mornings it's a little cold here, but warms up to 20, 25 degrees in the afternoon, and compared to home, it's definitely a lot different. There's no humidity here. It's just dry and dusty, and at home it's cold and wet and snowy, so it's quite opposite.
We got Martin's buns on the grill. Lined up for Jeremy here. We got bacon cheeseburgers. We got one last chicken burger. A lot of work. Cheddar dogs, jalapeno cheddar dogs. Yeah, baby, cooking for the team.